In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Canon LBP 300 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, please wait until a best match should appear in this window, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So in a while, you would be redirected to the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to wait until a search bar would be available for you before we can continue. Once it's here, directly proceed to the search bar and type for Canon space LBP space 3000 driver. Then hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. Okay, so please proceed with any of this one. Okay, just select on it. And you can see the Canon LBP. Okay, all you need to do is you need to scroll down on the list. Okay, and please click on this down arrow key and choose your operating system. Okay, so if the Windows 11 operating system is not available for us, just select any of the Windows. Anyway, Windows 7 or 8 works well with Windows 11. So it will now search that. Okay, click on this one and eventually you can see this option. Click on it and it will now start on the downloading process. So please proceed to the upper right side of the screen. You can see the download icon. Click on it so that you can check on the progress of this download. So please wait until this would be finished before we continue to the installation. Once done, click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, all you need to do is you need to select the file or the application that we have downloaded. Please make a right click and go with the Scott icon. The moment you do that, close the window as well as this one. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with the space icon. Once you have pasted it, please make a right click and please extract the file. You can double tap to it to extract it, or you can simply navigate to the WinRAR tool here. Okay, and go with extract to. So once done, okay, once you have extracted it, you need to proceed at the start icon, make a right click, and then scroll up and click on the settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the options. Please locate with Bluetooth and devices and navigate to printers and scanners and you would be able to see a window like an option like this. Go with add device so that you would be proceeded to the manual installation of our printer driver. Okay, so the printer that I want is enlisted. Click on add manually and wait until a new window would show up, which is this. Go with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and then click on next. Go with this one, click on the down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Okay, so that's it. Click on next and go with have disk. Click on browse. And since our file has been located at the desktop, then we need to navigate there and then scroll down on the list. Go with extracted file. Select on this one. Select the driver and it will show up the driver. Click on open. Click on OK and it would be added here. So click on next, and it will now start on the installation. This might take a while, but please be patient and wait until this would be done, okay, since we're almost there. Once done, please allow for printer sharing if you would like to, or you can check the other one if it is do not share this printer if you don't want to. So click on next, and from here go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Canon LBP 3000 printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.